friends, Running Kimono, and even before we dive into the Walgreens matchups for the week of the 17th, we're going to take a quick second to talk about the Fetch Rewards app. Well, guys, of all the apps to use out there, this one is my favorite. It's as easy as downloading the app, using my referral code right there on the screen, photograph a receipt, a pack of gum that you bought last week, or an Egg McMuffin, and you're given 2,000 points, which is $2. Start photographing your receipts for groceries or Flintstone vitamins, and you're given back extra points for items that are in their catalog. And it could even be fast food that you're photographing too, like receipts. It's just a terrific app that you can really collect points really quickly towards gift cards. Many of you who follow me over on Instagram know that our basement got flooded, and it's been a very large remodel, a costly one too. And thanks to the Lowe's and Home Depot gift cards, it's been paying for, the odd can of paint. And I am so grateful I photograph all my receipts, because we had to renovate 900 square feet of a basement. The water damage and mold and all that stuff, everything had to be brought right to the studs. And for every can of paint to have a little bit of relief, it didn't pay for all of it, but it did help out quite a bit. When I can accrue a little $50 gift card, it paid for some paint one day. It's a really good feeling that an app can be so great to help you with such a large project like this. And basically, it's just photographing receipts, earning those points towards gift cards. So if you're interested, sign up today, guys. This is a tremendous app. Photograph a bunch. You probably can get a gift card today. And then check out the link, and don't forget to use my referral code in the notes. It's a terrific app. Okay, so let's talk about these little, curbside pickup coupons we've been getting since probably December. You could use them in store or for a curbside pickup, and guess what? Not working in store. I've had a lot of you DM me, tell me in the comments about this problem. So when it does, or if it starts working, I'll definitely let you know, but definitely use them for curbsides. And as you can see, it says redeem in-store only, although it says new pickup. So it's like two different things. So even if you call customer service, they'd have to meet you halfway, or maybe a manager could. I went online just for fun and added some Crest white strips. Will this work for a curbside? Boom, $10 off right there. And as you can see, proof is in the pudding right there. So it's working for curbside, but curbside without manufacturer coupons. It's very, very persnickety. Be super careful when you're moving forward with this, guys. Any other news I get, I'll let you know right away, but it's just being a pain. Also, this one showed up. So I found this in my household folder, and it's for the week of the 17th to the 23rd. Spend $20. Get back $5 of Walgreens cash. For this one, you have to pay cash for the balance because it is a spend offer. But hey, it's I guess better than a kick in the pants. It's something to work with. Looking at the cover, this seems like a boring ad, but there's a lot to it, and I think this is going to be a sensational week over at Walgreens. I really think there's some magic to this where we're going to find some deals that are going to be like, oh my gosh. So we're just going to walk through some of them. And then with the apps, there's definitely some razzle dazzle to be had and found. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to talk about is with the Purex, $1.99. Now, if you are with Checkout 51, they have a rebate for $2 back. Please read it very carefully that you have this specific one. It's $2 and it's any variety. There is no you have to buy like a 70 liter bottle or 70 ounces or whatever it is. This one is any size. So they do have one for sale for $1.99. You would pay that and then submit the $2 to Checkout 51. After the rebate, it's totally for free. But definitely give a good reading of what's on your rebate. If it's for a larger bottle, or if it's like 2 for $3.50, those are for the larger bottles. Sadly, you can't do this deal. Okay, so this next deal is with the Schick Hydro Silk, and then the disposable Skintimate, and the men's one, which is the Schick. $8.99, $5.99. We're going to have a $4 coupon and then a $3 coupon. And I'm wondering if both the men and women razor will get a $3 one. If not, I know there's a peelie of that amount that's been found at Walgreens specifically. So maybe look for one to do this deal with a little bit of success. Now we're also going to factor in this little booster. So because this is a spend one, you have to pay cash for the balance. That is not negotiable. Got to pay cash. So looking at this again, guys, grabbing say a men and a women's Skintimate and Schick disposable razor at $5.99 on the nose. That's $11.98, and then one of the hydro razors for $8.99. That's a total of $20.97. Make sure that you have your booster loaded. Present a $3 peelie, and then $7 of digital coupons you'll have to load on Sunday morning. You'll pay $10.97 cash out of pocket. Credit card, debit card, pennies, whatever you have, don't use your Walgreens cash to pay the balance. You're going to get back $10 of Walgreens cash, $5 for the booster, and then $5 for the promotion of $5 when you spend $20, making it 97 cents for the 3 or 32 cents per razor. Okay, so we have this great little coupon, which is a buy one, get one free for the Kit Kat Mocha Duos. I thought that said matcha. So anyhow, grabbing 2 of them at 88 cents, that's $1.76. Subtracting the BOGO free, you're paying 88 cents for the 2 or 44 cents per candy bar. Okay, toothpaste deal of the week goes to Crest, $2.99. $2 register reward when you buy 2. Now on Sunday morning, let's see if there might be some higher value Crest coupons, maybe possibly. We have this $2 digital if you didn't use it off of a toothpaste, and then this one. There's also one for a mouthwash too, $1 off. So grabbing 2 of them, that's $5.98. Subtracting $3 of digital manufacturers, the 2 and the 1. You're paying $2.98 out of pocket, getting back a $2 register reward. 98 cents for the 2 or 49 cents each. If you wish to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, absolutely go for it. Okay, little deal of buy 3, get 1 for free. All of these detergents are $4.99 a pop. So unfortunately, I can't find any digitals because sometimes we have $2 ones for the Tide Pods Tide, but nope. But in the January P&G, there were $2 coupons, so hopefully you still have a couple left. They don't expire till the end of the month. Grabbing 4 of them, it's $14.97. If you have no coupons, just throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, a register reward if you might have it. But if you don't, pay $4.97 out of pocket for the 4 or $1.24 each. It is a loss of $10 of Walgreens cash, but let's talk about Tide being on the line. I think this is a really smart flip of $10 of Walgreens cash. Now, if you have the P&G January coupons, grab 4 of them for $14.97. Present 1 for the pod, 1 for the liquid, subtracting $4 right there. I would also throw in $10 of Walgreens cash, pay 97 cents, and this is just a killer deal. Yes, a loss of $10 of Walgreens cash, but that's why we earn it for deals like this, to pay 97 cents for 4 Tides. That's unheard of. What a great price point. Okay, the next deal that we have is 99 cents for the Ajax, Dawn, or the Complete Home Tissue. Mix and match if you wish, but if you wanted to grab 6 Dawns, that would be $5.94. Use $5 in Walgreens cash or register reward if you might have it, and pay 94 cents if you're going to use $5 in Walgreens cash. I think this is just really smart, especially if you're a newer couponer and need to stock up on the Ajax detergent, the liquid Dawn, or some Kleenex, I think, or tissue. I think this is just a really solid deal to build up that stockpile. Okay, this next deal, I'm not going to type it out because it's written all here in the flyer. Grabbing 2 of the L'Oreal Elvive, we have a 2 off a 2 Walgreens coupon found in the January Big Book of Savings, also known as an IVC coupon. That will subtract, get the cashier to scan it, or you can load it digitally, plus a 4 off a 2 digital coupon. Final price point here is $2 for 2 or $1 per L'Oreal Elvive. What a great price point. Okay, the Persil is $4.99. We have a $2 digital coupon that will be showing up on Sunday morning. It'll drop it down to $2.99. I know a lot of people think that Persil is much better than Tide, so whatever camp you're from, this might be a great deal for you to stock up on Persil for like $3. Okay, now the soft soap in Irish Spring is 2 for $8. 75-cent digital coupon, but in some smart sources there will be dollar coupons starting on Sunday, which is an insert coupon. So hopefully you can find 2 of those. $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. So this is the math for this one, guys. Grabbing 2 of them for $8. Let's go with the Irish Spring. Subtracting $2 coupons from the Smart Source of January the 17th, that shaves off $2 right there. You're going to pay $6 out of pocket, get back $3 of Walgreens cash. Final price point here is 3 for 2 or $1.50 for each. If you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you will still earn Walgreens cash on this purchase. And I'm just going to throw this in here if you want to put it in a basket to get it to 20 or 30 bucks. This razor, $9.99. $3 digital coupon, and then you would get back a $4 register reward. It still shakes out to $2.99 after everything is said and done, but I mean, if you really wanted to get this to build a basket, it's not the worst thing. So again, grabbing one of these razors for $9.99, subtracting a $3 digital, pay $6.99 out of pocket, get back a $4 register reward. $2.99 is the final price point. And if you wish to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. Now, another great deal is with the Viva or Cottonelle for $5.99. This stuff is usually 2 for $16 or $9.99 for one of them. I think it might be made out of gold. Last weekend, we got this dollar coupon. Alternatively, there's also one on coupons.com. So either one. So grabbing one of these for $5.99, use that dollar digital coupon. $4.99. If you want to use your Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, go for it. And don't forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app because you will get back extra points for this purchase. This is part of their catalog, and they will award a little bit more for the purchase of Cottonelle. Okay, Revlon Almay, BOGO 50% off, $3 register reward when you buy 2. As you can see, the Revlon Kiss Balm is in fact included. It's right there to the right. So we're going to grab 2 of those. Let's grab the ones that are $4.99 on the nose. So for 2 of them, that's $7.48. Let's throw in $5 of Walgreens cash. You'll pay $2.48 out of pocket, get back a $3 register reward. It is okay to use your Walgreens cash. For this one, you'll still earn the register reward, but a little deal for some Kiss Bombs that are kind of cheap. Okay, guys, now we're going to talk about some honorable mentions. The first one is for parents out there. Buy 5 of the participating products, get back a $5 register reward. Lots of this stuff is on clearance, so use some points, get creative. I think you'll have to really look for some clearance stuff to make a deal happen. But yeah, I would absolutely try something with some clearance stuff and see if that register reward will print. And then we'll share, obviously, once more intel is provided on that. But for some of these products, like I'm seeing a ton of stuff at 50, maybe it'll hit 70 next week. Okay, so these Russell Stover's hearts are 69 cents. Buy 4, get 1 for free. So you would pick up 5, pay down the balance, and it basically shakes it out to 55 cents per Russell Stover's heart. So maybe hide them around your house on Valentine's Day. And the Maxwell House coffee is $3.99. So if you like instant coffee, I mean, this is a really great price point and a great thing to have in your pantry to stock up for the long and cold winter months. And then the Bud Seltzer or Truly is $13.99. You would pay that and then get back something out of the Catalina machine to mail to the manufacturer with your receipt and a UPC. They'll mail you back a check or a prepaid Visa gift card or something like that, and it's $8.99 after everything is said and done. Cheap meat. So 5 for 5 on the Star Kissed tuna. That's a really great price point. Sardines and the light tuna is 5 for 4, so that's not a bad little price point. Now this deal is back again, which is a buy 1, get 2 for free, and it's typically $2.79, so that divided by 3 shakes the bags out to 93 cents each. So that's a really good deal for a home chef. And the soda on these little 12 cans, they are buy 2, get 1 for free at the price point of $6.49. And Oscar Mayer is 2 for 8. That's a really great price point. And the Talenti and Breyer is $4.49 each. Now, both of these products all 3 of these products are part of the Fetch Rewards app. So let's not forget to photograph your receipt to that app to get back extra points for these purchases. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.